Hi, my name is Jason Krolowitz. I'm a CSI major with a concentration in cybersecurity. My role in this project was to work with my team to develop a system proposal and create a prototype for EAP for a mobile app to solve their solution of not having a mobile app available for their current clients. So what I'm going to discuss here today for you would be the plans for the future with this mobile app as we work with EAP. So once it is approved, our team will go ahead and build a mobile app. So we'll go ahead and submit the system proposal to the EAP administration. Once their approval of the app has been successful, we'll go ahead and start developing that mobile app. If the client does require any modifications to the application, to the prototype, we'll go ahead and make those before we start going through and developing everything. We plan to have the mobile app developed and ready by May of 2020. We will go ahead and submit that to the EAP administration at that time for their approval before we go ahead and launch that. After the final approval, we'll go ahead and make the app live by July of 2020. So we want a little bit of time between May and July to make sure everything works properly. Security's all set on there, the database is good to go. So we want to make sure that everything is ready and currently set for live production there. Once we put it into live production, we do want to go ahead and work with EAP to create a baseline document. There we want to make sure that we look at the company's current status and to make sure we monitor that this app is actually creating value for EAP. We will also continue to work with EAP to improve the app and then add features that will help increase the company's return on investment. So we want to make sure that while we develop this app for them, that they're creating some sort of value and their return on investment continues to rise. Obviously the mobile app industry is huge. The event industry is also large. And companies don't always know whether or not their events are actually bringing in revenue for them. If the return on investment is great, it's hard to tell. This way, with this app, you'll be able to go ahead and track who's attending each event. Did you bring in some revenue from those events? It'll just help the company to be able to track whether that return on investment is increasing and whether this app is actually helping the company. And we'll continue to data capture with EAP as well to increase event participation and awareness. We want to make sure that with the creation of this app that the company continues to grow, the events continue to generate more users, more people, more clients. So we'll go ahead and look at some analytics on that as well with EAP to make sure we continue to monitor that. Thank you for your time.